Good afternoon, everybody. It's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilts, Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. Got a beautiful one for you today. It's a 2021 Peterbilt 389, extended hood, ultra cab, 78-inch stand-up sleeper. And we didn't do the fairings off the back. It's bobbed off, which is a much preferred look. This one's in pepper gray. Absolutely gorgeous color. Get up here and take a look at it. Beautiful day here in Colorado. I don't know if you can see that, but just a heavy metal flake. Beautiful truck. Got the lights on it. Get a couple extra cab lights. Cleared them all out. It's a 14-inch drop visor. Did all LED lights. The front of the air breathers here. And we do the back of the air breathers. Those will be red when they're lit up. And we do internal lights inside the air breathers, so those light up at night. All polished stainless steel. The panels here, they're back in the sleeper. They get replaced, so we put the original ones under the sleeper. All sealed. Since we're right here, you can see you got a master disconnect there and then a plug-in for a block heater in the truck. Got a medium depth tank, polished stainless steel cover. This one was in the wash bay and then it got some splatter on it, so we got to re-clean it real quick. Got a 110 on this side, all polished, and then there's those panels underneath the sleeper. So those go with the truck. The toolbox, it's also a step. Catwalk up there. 6 load lights. Put the radio antenna on the back of the sleeper. And see, you can tell we didn't do the fairings. See the other side there, those are just the short little bobbed off ones, which I prefer because the other ones just get beat up. Ultra sleeper, it's got the air ride on it. There's the exhaust pipe for the S-bar heater. Sleeper. 30-inch Hodgebuilt quarter fenders. This one we did LoPro 24.5s. So they're 285 75R 24.5. Good years on the back. Endurance LHDs. Disc brakes all the way around. Those are becoming incredibly popular. And then as you can see right here, this line right here, that's your lockers. It says full 3-way lockers. You can lock in the forward axle, the rear axle, and the inner axle diff lock. Been doing a lot of these outboard mounted fifth wheels. So see the way this is just a piece of angle iron. That way, if a guy does need to change where this fifth wheel sits to throw the weight around a bit, very simple, very easy to just add angle iron on there and then move that on back. So something we've been doing. Peterbilt low air leaf suspension. It's a 4-bag system. Very strong, very robust, yet a very good ride. Toolbox on the opposite side. You got a 150 polished stainless steel tank over here. And whoever was polishing did a good job. At the factory on this after treatment, it's really good. 7-inch pipes up there. Take a look under the hood. This one's fully loaded, so we do the air ride steer axles with dual leveling valves, so that way we don't have any issues with the truck leaning at all. Cummins X15. This is the hot side, obviously, because we got the turbo over here. disc brakes on the steer axle. There's that leveling valve on the right side. X15's been doing exceptionally well. Very good, very reliable engine. Davco fuel filter. Remote lube. There's the air ride. Leveling valve. And again, disc brakes up front. Take you inside. Platinum interior. With this. There we go. Beautiful day here. I think it's about 68 degrees. Let's take a look here at the weight. 19,026 pounds. So right at 19,000 pounds the way she sits. 280-inch wheelbase. And what I did forget to mention, it's a 565 horse, 2050 torque engine, 18 speed transmission, and 336 rear gears. Got air tilt cruise, power windows, power locks, power mirrors on this one. I'm not going to start this one up, but we did what we call full gauges on this, but we've got a PTO switch here, and then your air dump suspension, because we have your three-way lockers are here, air slides here. I'm sorry, here. Air slide, three-way lockers, air dump, and a PTO switch. So with the three-way lockers, it kind of pushes two over, so we lose 2 gauges. So a lot of guys really like the PTO switch already wired in, so it's the easiest PTO they've ever installed. AM FM CD player with Bluetooth, tilt telescope steering wheel, the factory installed CB, and air horns already installed, black leather seats. This one's a 78-inch stand-up single bunk. It's got all the cabinets in the rear. Got a small little step right there to step over. Closet there. Got your fridge. Fridge up here. So it's nice eye level. Spot for a TV. Got your business center here. Keep all your paperwork straight. Plenty of room back here. Windows on each side. And then here's your HVAC controls, digital alarm clock, light, and then this one here's your S-bar heater. Uses probably a cup of diesel an hour. So very fuel efficient, you don't have to be running that engine. So just thought I would run this one by you. It is for sale. Nobody's on this one. Pepper Gray 2021 389. And she's fully loaded. Pretty much if it's an option, it's on it. So give me a call, Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt. Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. 970-691-3877. You got trades. We take trades. Obviously, we take cash. Anything else? So, just I've got several of these. I'll be doing some follow-up videos of some other colors. I think I got a green one over there and a white one, so I'll be getting those online here shortly too. They're all twins. They're all the same. It's just a different color. But beautiful truck. 2021 Peterbilt 389 extended hood. Pretty much loaded. Everybody be safe out there with this coronavirus deal. It's kind of crazy, but we're still selling trucks and still got trucks coming in. So just give me a holler. Thanks for watching. I appreciate your time very much. Take care.